Want to see what it's like to get your own shipping container? Go to a yard and pick one up yourself. If you got yourself a float and a big truck, you can do it. We are 5 kilometers away from a yard in Vaughan. If it's not too much of a pain in the ass, I can pick one of a color that, for me, I'm looking for a better condition, but maybe I can come up with a color excuse to pick one that's a better condition. If not, you don't really have a choice. You get what they grab, and you go home happy or not. So, see how it goes. So this is called a terminal. This is one of the steps, single file, get in a line. This is where there are trucks that have units on them come to get unloaded. Trucks like me without units come to get loaded. These are the big pickers. They grab them from the top and they have these pins that they just pick them right up. Trailers like what you see in front of us, they have pins in their corners. So the trailer gets sat on those pins and they get locked down. Someone like us, we're just a regular flatbed float. We'll have to run straps over top of it to hold it down, but yeah, get in your line, wait your turn, give them your release code, and then I'll tell you where to go. How's it going? Got a pickup code. SM2 U20230207. You catch any of that?
Whoever made that number is an asshole.
Yeah, you want me to show you?
Just missing it too, that's it.
Yeah, okay.
I was gonna ask how many boxes, but
Just yeah.
All set.
Would have liked to be able to try to go to.
Right. your ticket.
Yeah.
4140. Cool. Just let me check it. Give me 2 seconds.
Yep.
All right, you good to go?
So they gave us an orange. I was hoping for a bit more of a darker, pale color. You know what? Just happy it seems to be in good condition. So that was a win for today. Now it's just the venture home. Gotta get the bin off the trailer. It's not a tilt and load like a lot of these trailers would be. So we're gonna use the yard loader and get it wiggled off the trailer. We'll see. Remember, I didn't say it's the right way to do it, but that's one way to do it. Work with what you got. Moment of truth. Did we get a hunk of junk or something reasonable? That's a good sign. The second door. Whoop. I was lucky. Sometimes the doors are junk. Definitely had some roof repairs, but it appears to be watertight, and that's kind of what matters. We might be breathing China air right now. So often where these come from. No, that's tight. Shipping container. Dense. It's not bad. Little bit holes in the side. The echo's nuts, so that's good. Door seals are decent. Rust isn't too bad. Saw underneath wasn't too dented or dragged. Not too shabby. So we're gonna use this 20-footer to replace this 53-foot eyesore. So yeah, I much prefer shipping containers. This is now our third 20-footer. We have 3 40-foots, 1 a high cube. We need all the shipping containers. I want them all. All right.